Now we have a second question, that is, which is a better mode of reproduction, sexual or asexual, and why? So first of all, we have to answer that which one of the reproduction, asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction, is better, which one is better, and we have to give the reason that why that particular reproduction type is better than the other. So first of all, if we talk about the two types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, then we know that sexual reproduction is way better than asexual reproduction. Alright, this is the answer for first part of this question, that sexual reproduction is much better than asexual reproduction. If we talk about why, what is the reason behind that, then we know that in case of asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved in the process of asexual reproduction. That means only one parent is going to give rise to a new offspring, and which is going to be exactly similar to that of their parent. Alright, there is no genetic variation is found in the offsprings of asexual reproduction. If there is no variations in them, then their adaptability towards their environment is very poor, is very low. And whereas if we talk about the sexual reproduction, we know that this kind of reproduction is advanced reproduction, and it involves two different kind of parents, which produces two different kind of gametes. They also involves a process known as fertilization, and in this fertilization, when the two different kind of gametes is going to be fertilized or fused with each other, there will be formed a new organism through zygote and embryogenesis or embryo. Then when we say that sexual reproduction, then we know that sexual reproduction is involving a fusion of two gametes, two different types of gametes coming from two different type of parents or individuals. Then there will be genetic variations present in them, in offsprings. The genetic variations is present in offsprings, which lead to higher adaptability to their environment. Alright, they will be more adaptable to their environment, to their surrounding environment. This is because the meiosis, cell division, and crossing over has been done in case of sexual reproduction, which provides the genetic variation in them and makes them more adaptable to the environment. Hence, we can call that sexual reproduction is way better, is much better than asexual reproduction, and the organisms produced through sexual reproduction are much better or more adaptable in the environment as compared to the offsprings produced from asexual reproduction. Alright, so this is answer, and if we want to write the answer of this, then we know that first of all we'll tell that which one of the reproduction is better. So of course it is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is much better than asexual one, then asexual reproduction. Now why? Here we comes with the second part of this question, that is why. This is because in asexual reproduction, we know that this involves only one parent, which is exactly similar to their parents, which is exactly similar to its parent. Why this is so? why the offspring produced through asexual reproduction are exactly similar to its parent? Because there is no formation of gamete is taking place, there is no fusion of gamete is taking place in them, only one individual is contributing in the formation of a new individual. It will all the genetic material, genetic information will be passed from only one parent to its offspring. That is why, this is the reason why all the offsprings or individuals produced from asexual type of reproduction are exactly similar to its parent. So it is exactly similar to its parent because we have to write the reason, because the genetic material is coming from only one parent, only one parent. Hence there will be no genetic variation, and as a result the offspring is less adaptable to its environment, Alright, this is about asexual reproduction. If we talk about the sexual reproduction, then we know that in sexual reproduction, first of all, it involves two parents, two different individuals, two different parents or individuals are participating in the formation of offspring, and because of the presence of fusion of two different types of gametes coming from different individuals in this, they will be having genetic variation. So genetic variation is present in the offspring produced from sexual reproduction. Genetic variation is present. Alright, and because they have genetic variations and nature adapts the individuals which are variable, which have the characteristics which are adaptable to the environment, so they have better chances of survival in the environment, they have better adaptability into the environment. So because of genetic variation present in the individuals or offsprings produced from sexual reproduction, they have better chances of survival, and because they are more adaptable to their environment. So this is why the offsprings produced from sexual reproduction are better. Hence, sexual reproduction is way better, much better than asexual reproduction. So this is the complete solution of question number 2.